Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by removing electrical risk. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 2 minutes. This prevents airbag faults. Next, slide the seat fully forward, then fully back so you can access every mounting bolt easily. With gloves on, remove small trim caps from the rail. Use a trim tool to avoid breaking clips. Once the caps are off, loosen the visible bolts one at a time. Don't fully remove them yet. Just break the torque so final extraction is faster. Now you remove the rail bolts completely, working diagonally to keep the seat stable. Place bolts in a labeled container. Tilt the seat and look beneath. There are electrical connectors for seat belt sensors, heaters, or airbag leads. Depress the locking tabs and unplug them carefully. Take a smartphone photo of each connection and label wires with tape. This avoids confusion when reinstalling. Once every connector is free, check that no carpet clips or foam are snagged, and have a helper ready to lift the seat. With a helper, lift the seat straight up from the rear, keeping the front rails aligned with the track. This prevents tearing carpet or wires. Move the seat out of the cabin and set it on a soft blanket to protect upholstery and metal rails. Once clear, reinstall trim caps and torque seat bolts to manufacturer spec when you return it. If something won't reconnect or a warning light appears, recheck each connector and battery terminal. A loose SRS lead is the most common fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.